Welcome to Compare to Win. The best 9 feet Christmas tree is probably one of the most impressive and eye-catching additions to any holiday home, instantly elevating your festive spirit and creating a stunning focal point that will be admired by all who enter. Imagine the sheer joy and wonder it brings, transforming your living space into a winter wonderland, perfect for gathering with loved ones and making cherished memories that last a lifetime. This majestic tree stands tall, embodying the true essence of Christmas with its grandeur and the promise of a magical season filled with warmth and cheer. Number 5. Handy Laundry Christmas Tree Storage Bag. This bag is designed to accommodate trees up to 9 feet tall. It also has plenty of room for extra holiday accessories like tree toppers and lights. With a double pull zipper for easy access and loading, plus sturdy handles, storing your tree is now hassle-free. Carrying or pulling it is also made convenient. Crafted from durable, tarp-like material, it holds its shape even when full. This ensures a long-lasting storage solution that stands the test of time. It safeguards your precious holiday decorations from dust, moisture, and pests. You can store your tree with peace of mind, knowing it will remain in perfect condition. Its generous size and sturdy build make it perfect for storing other holiday decorations, outdoor cushions, or even as a moving bag. It's a versatile storage solution. What we like? This storage bag offers ample space for your tree and accessories, making it incredibly easy to pack away. Its durable, tarp-like material ensures long-lasting protection. If you're looking for a robust and convenient way to store your Christmas tree and other holiday decor, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The tree is very full and realistic looking. Easy to assemble and shape the branches. Comes with a sturdy metal stand. Number 4. Best Choice Products 9-foot Pink Artificial Christmas Tree. Introducing a vibrant new color for your holiday season. This unique tree adds a personal touch and stands out from traditional decor. Gather your loved ones and unleash your creativity. This tree serves as the perfect backdrop for your cherished lights, garland, and ornaments. With hundreds of tips, it boasts a full yet tapered look. Its meticulously crafted branches closely resemble the texture of an authentic pine tree. Setting it up is a breeze. Simply unfold the stand, stack the sections, and fluff the branches for a beautiful display in just 3 steps. Built to last, it features durable metal hinges and flame-retardant branches. Its sturdy metal base ensures it stands tall and looks its best all season. What we like? This tree offers a vibrant, unique color that will make your holiday decor stand out. With hundreds of dense tips, it provides a full, realistic appearance. If you want a tree that's a true statement piece and easy to set up, this is the one for you. What people say. The tree is very full and realistic looking. Easy to assemble and shape the branches. Comes with lights already attached, saving time and effort. Number 3. Best Choice Products 9-foot Premium Unlit Artificial Spruce Christmas Tree. Bring the magic of the holidays home with this stunning artificial spruce tree. Its high-quality PVC needles create a dense, realistic look, perfect for any festive setting. This tree serves as a beautiful blank canvas for your personal holiday style. Gather your loved ones and adorn it with your favorite lights, garland, and ornaments to create lasting memories. With hundreds of meticulously crafted tips, it boasts a full yet tapered look. The branches perfectly mimic the color and texture of an authentic spruce, offering a natural appeal. Setting up your holiday centerpiece is a breeze. Simply unfold the sturdy metal stand, stack the sections from largest to smallest, and then fluff the branches for a perfect finish. Crafted with durable metal hinges and flame-retardant PVC branches, it's designed for longevity. The robust metal base ensures it stands tall and looks its best throughout the entire holiday season. What we like? This artificial spruce tree beautifully mimics the dense foliage of a real spruce. It's designed for easy assembly, allowing you more time to decorate. If you love the classic look of a spruce and want a full, elegant tree that's simple to set up, consider this option. What people say. The tree is very full and realistic looking, with plenty of branches to hang ornaments. Easy to assemble, took less than 10 minutes to set up. The lights are pre-strung and evenly distributed, saving a lot of time and hassle. Number 2. Best Choice Products Pre-Lit 9-foot Snow Flocked Pine Tree. Experience a magical white Christmas with this stunning tree. Its snow-flocked finish transforms any space into a beautiful winter wonderland. Hundreds of meticulously crafted branch tips come pre-strung with warm white lights. This creates a cozy and festive atmosphere, ready for the holidays. With hundreds of tips, this tree boasts a lush and full appearance. Its meticulously crafted branches perfectly mimic the look of an authentic pine tree. Setting up is a breeze with just 3 simple steps. Connect the base, attach the sections, and fluff the branches for a beautiful display. This tree is the perfect centerpiece for your holiday decor. Consider matching it with our festive wreaths and garlands to create the ultimate winter scene. What we like? Experience a winter wonderland with this beautifully snow-flocked tree, complete with pre-strung warm white lights. It boasts a lush, full appearance that creates a cozy atmosphere. If you desire a magical, ready-to-go holiday centerpiece with minimal effort, this pre-lit, flocked tree is perfect. What people say? The tree is very full and realistic looking. Easy to assemble and shape the branches. Comes with a sturdy metal stand. Number 1. Best Choice Products 7.5-foot Blue Spruce Christmas Tree. Experience the regal beauty of our artificial blue spruce Christmas tree. Its unique blue-gray coloring creates an inviting atmosphere, perfect for your holiday centerpiece. Crafted with durable metal hinges and flame-retardant branches, this tree is built to last. The sturdy metal base ensures it stands tall and looks its best all season long. Setting up your holiday centerpiece has never been easier. With a simple tab and slot system and pre-attached electrical plugs, assembly is quick and straightforward. Hundreds of branch tips create a full, lush profile. You'll have plenty of space to hang all your favorite ornaments, garland, and decorations. This tree comes pre-lit with warm white incandescent lights. They are strung throughout the branches, creating the perfect glowing centerpiece for your holiday gatherings. With its impressive number of tips and pre-lit design, it's ready to be adorned. Create a stunning display that will impress your guests this holiday season. What we like? This tree features a distinctive blue-gray coloring, inspired by the real blue spruce, creating a regal atmosphere. It comes pre-lit with warm white lights and offers a full, lush profile. If you're looking for a unique, elegant tree that's already illuminated and easy to assemble, this is a fantastic choice. What people say? The tree is very full and realistic looking. Easy to assemble and shape the branches. Comes with pre-attached lights that are evenly distributed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.